Hey everyone, welcome back to Journey with Rajesh, where we talk all things personal finance, money saving tips, and everything in between. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular financial tools out there, credit cards. Are they really worth it? Let's find out. Advantages of credit cards. Let's start with the good stuff. Credit cards are widely used for a reason. There are some solid benefits that come with using them responsibly. 1. Building credit history. One of the biggest advantages is that credit cards help you build your credit history. When you use a credit card and make payments on time, you're demonstrating responsible financial behavior, which can boost your credit score. And that's huge when it comes to buying a house, getting a car loan, or even landing a job in some cases. 2. Rewards and cashback. Next up, rewards. Many credit cards offer cashback, points, or travel miles with every purchase. You can use these rewards for everything from flights to gadgets, or even just get cash back. Who doesn't love a little extra something for spending money you'd be spending anyway? 3. Consumer protection and purchase insurance. Credit cards often come with built-in protection for your purchases. If something goes wrong, like if you're charged incorrectly or the item is defective, you may be able to dispute the charge or get a refund through your card issuer. Some cards also offer purchase protection or extended warranties. 4. Travel perks. Travelers, listen up. Many credit cards offer amazing travel perks like airport lounge access, travel insurance, and no foreign transaction fees. If you travel a lot, these benefits alone can make a huge difference. The disadvantages of credit cards. But, like everything, credit cards aren't without their downsides. Let's talk about the risks. 1. High interest rates. One of the biggest drawbacks is the high interest rates. If you carry a balance on your card from month to month, the interest can add up quickly. Some cards have APRs that can be over 20%, yikes. That means if you don't pay off your balance in full, your debt can spiral out of control. 2. Potential for overspending. It's easy to overspend when you have a credit card in your pocket. Because you're not physically handing over cash, it's tempting to buy things you don't really need. And before you know it, your balance starts to grow. If you don't stay disciplined, that can lead to serious debt. 3. Late fees and penalties. Another downside is the possibility of late fees. If you miss a payment, not only do you get hit with a late fee, but your interest rate might increase. It can quickly snowball if you're not careful. Staying on top of due dates is crucial. 4. Risk of fraud. Credit card fraud is a real concern. While credit cards generally offer fraud protection, you still have to be careful where and how you use your card. Data breaches or online scams can lead to unauthorized charges, and it's a hassle to sort out the mess. Final thoughts and tips. So, is a credit card right for you? Well, it depends on how you use it. When used responsibly, credit cards offer some great benefits, like building credit, earning rewards, and offering consumer protection. But, if you're not careful with your spending or forget to make payments on time, the downsides can outweigh the perks. Here are a few quick tips to use credit cards wisely. Pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest. Use a rewards card to earn benefits. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid late fees. Be mindful of your spending and stay within your budget. That's it for today. I hope this helped you better understand the advantages and disadvantages of credit cards. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments if you've had a good or bad experience with credit cards, and what tips work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.